Hello again, welcome to another video of Flight Simulator X. We were going to fly on that soon, but it crashed. And we were doing a return flight from Dublin to Heathrow. I've got Heathrow scenery and it's like 4 gigabytes, so I'm going to lag a lot. That's okay, we'll continue. Get down. Get. There we go. We're not going to use any auto brake because it's quite a long runway. We're on the glide slope now, which is good. So we're just going to descend towards the runway. Autopilot's doing this thing. Hopefully it'll be a much better landing than the other one. We can set flaps to 3. Reduce speed. Just to that 163, 64. Just keep going. No auto brakes. Gear down on green. Everything's good. And once we pass over this river, we'll set flaps to 4. Alright, flaps 4. Reduce speed now to 159. And we'll just maintain this speed now until the autopilot comes off and we'll be all good. So, flaps are full. Following the glide slope, gear is down with all 3 green. And as we approach into Heathrow, runway 09 left.
1,000.
That's the call out for 1,000. Check. This is very laggy. I need to get some more RAM. We're going to take the autopilot off now. My airplane.
500.
We've just picked up a lot
400.
of speed. That's good. Good.
300.
About to come over the threshold here.
200.
Just coming over the threshold.
100. 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard. 10, 5.
We're gliding. There we go. There's the screen. Again, I need to practice on lining up with the center line. Reversers aren't coming on because of lag. There you go, finally. Oh, we got to brake, Jesus. Oh my god, the brake discs are gonna be red. I think that was a lot better than my landing at Dublin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next flight.